Now we are going to introduce to you the Idaho potato industry. The Idaho Potato Commission was formed about 88 years ago. That's how we are here to promote the quality of Idaho potatoes worldwide, and also to introduce different ways of eating potatoes creatively. In Idaho, we are the largest potato producing state in the whole of USA. About 30% of potato production comes from Idaho. It's so big, right? And we are actually famous because of, especially for this variety, it's called russet. And russet bang is how we grow the most. And how it makes us different is that it has more solids. More solids, that means more flavor, better cooking performance. And now, I'm going to introduce to you all our Idaho potato industry, how we are so different from the other potatoes and also potatoes from the other states. How stringent compliance that we have in our warehouse, how we check our potatoes, and how we make it consistent. As all you can see is very consistent, is very useful, and very important, especially when it comes to kitchen preparation, food service preparation, because it needs to be standardized and consistent. Now, let's play our industry video and let's see how grand and how big we are in this industry.
Hi, I'm here to share with you what makes the Idaho potato the quality product that it has become known for around the world. You may know that Idaho potatoes are available year-round to over 25 countries. But did you know that we harvest over 13 billion pounds of potatoes each year? Just to give you an idea, that's enough potatoes to fill a football stadium end zone to end zone for over a mile high. It's not just Idaho's rich volcanic soil, ideal climate, and mountain-fed irrigation. It's advanced farming practices and stringent quality checkpoints that truly make an Idaho potato famous.
So the inspectors that we have in place doing inspection at the facilities conduct those inspections in line. In line means that the potatoes are being packed at the time and the inspector is pulling samples out of that packaging and actually taking a sample. So they're going to dump the sample out of the container and they're going to start looking for size. They're going to look for minimum size, they're going to look for maximum size. They're then going to look for defects. They may do some exploratory cuts with a knife. We're going to write everything that we found in that sample, we're going to write on our note sheet. That then becomes part of the record of the certificate for each day.
In Idaho, we're also constantly looking for ways to continue to raise the bar, including multi-million-dollar investments in research, like determining optimal shipping temperatures and humidity ratios. Yes, these investments contribute to the cost of our potatoes, but it is because we value the long-term relationship with our customers that pushes us to do all we can to provide you with the reliable, high-quality, consistent potato you've come to expect from Idaho.
We really appreciate the part that the Idaho Potato Commission plays in research and development. There are so many of these issues that are too big for any one group to be able to fund or to examine. And so by having the IPC come in, they can take that over. And not only do they have the funding capabilities we don't individually, but they see the broad Idaho picture. And so they can actually look at the problem from the entire state perspective, not just our limited perspective.
Since 1937, the Idaho Potato Commission has invested in our brand. Today, our wide-reaching marketing strategies, such as the Big Idaho Potato Truck, the famous Idaho Potato Bowl, the New Year's Eve Idaho Potato Drop, the international brand ambassadors, retail and food service programs, social media, and TV commercials, are all aimed at driving consumers to seek out the Grown in Idaho seal and to grow your business.
All right, that's the Idaho potato industry. We are big, and you see the big truck? That's the big truck that goes over the whole of USA every day.
Farming is the backbone of Idaho's economy, but here in the Treasure Valley.
So now back to business. Let's enjoy, relax, and I'm going to hand over to Chef Federico.